Hello everybody, welcome to another video. So just another fairly short one today, just to talk about these little electrical socket testers. Now these are nothing new. I've had this one probably about 5-6 years, and I think they've actually been around quite a bit longer than that. But I was using it the other day, and a mate of mine saw me using it, and he didn't know what it was. And when I told him about it and explained how it worked, he was like, "Oh, you know, that's really good. That's clever. That's useful." So it just occurred to me that if he's not familiar with them, probably other people aren't either. So I just thought I'll do a quick little video, just sort of like talking about them, because I think they're a really kind of useful little tool to have. First of all, they're not very expensive. I think I paid about £9 or something for this one, so they're, you know, widely available for around about the £10 mark. So it's not something expensive. But basically, the way these work is they've got 3 lights, and after you wire up a socket, or after you change a socket, you can plug this in there. And if all 3 lights light up, that shows that it's correctly wired. But then if there's like various faults, you know, like if any of your connections are missing or the wrong way around or whatever, these lights will light up in like different sequences. And then from the sequence in which they light up, you know, there's a little kind of table here, and it'll basically tell you what you've got wrong. So just to show you, like for example, this is a normal correctly wired up extension lead here. So if I plug it in there, as you can see, all 3 light up. And if I plug it into this one where I've deliberately wired it up with the earth wire missing, if I put it in there, as you can see, just the left 2 light up. This one on the far right doesn't, and if you look on the little table, it says no earth. So, you know, I think these are really handy because, I mean, I suppose some people watching this might think, well, you know, why do you need one of these? You just plug something in after you wired up the socket, and if it works, it works. Kind of yes, but no, I would say, because, for example, let's say that, you know, in this example I just showed you here, if there's a problem with the earth connection, if you just plugged something in there, it would still work, you know, because you only need your earth when obviously there's a fault, and you know that you need that earth connection then. Otherwise, under normal operation, appliances don't need an earth to work. And also, for example, this will tell you if you're live and neutral is the wrong way around. And again, a lot of appliances, like let's say you plug in a lamp or something to test it, you know, that lamp will still work even if your live and neutral is the wrong way around. So, you know, for the sake of like a little bit of money, I think they're a really good sort of like tool to have in your toolbox, and just, you know, it makes it very easy. You know, change the socket, plug it in, and if you've got all 3 green lights, you know all your connections are correct. So anyway, hope that might be a useful bit of information for you. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.